me champagne punch. Hey, it's Amanda, and I am making you a champagne punch. This is totally holiday. It's for your holiday party, for New Year's Eve, for Hanukkah, for Christmas, for Festivus. It's so festive. I love a champagne punch, and you can do whatever you want. Get creative. As long as there's champagne, some fruit juice, maybe a little extra booze, and then just spice it up and get creative. So we're gonna start with champagne, obviously. I'm using a pink champagne because to me that is the most festive. I love pink champagne or rosé champagne, woo! Or rosé sparkling wine. Now, I don't have a fancy punch bowl, but my mom does. She has a 70s style one, and she's not here right now. So we're gonna go ahead and make this in a regular bowl and just serve it out into cute little glasses. I got some really cute pink glasses to go with my theme. So the champagne is in there. I'm gonna add a little bit of orange juice just to give it some fruitiness. And then I'm adding in some fresh orange. Also, I think it's really fun to have these garnishes in here, especially whatever is exactly the base, you're just matching the flavor. This is a Cara orange. It's so beautiful. I don't know if you've ever eaten one of these. If you see them in the store, it's citrus season right now, grab it. It's tangy, it's sweet, it has a great flavor. So grab some Caras, some regular navel oranges, some mandarins, some clementines, whatever you like. I'm just gonna cut this in half so we have some slices. And to me, you have to get creative with punch, and it needs to be pretty because I would put this right out there for when my guests walk in so they can see it. And I have a little trick. I'm using some frozen fruit. These will act as ice cubes. So I have some frozen blueberries and some frozen strawberries, and it's gonna make the punch nice and cold. And it's gonna flavor it. So in goes the berries, you have your oranges, your champagne, your orange juice. I have this beautiful Oro Blanco grapefruit, which I cannot wait to cut into. Look at that. This will give a little bit of sourness. I love grapefruit, pink grapefruit, white grapefruit. I love grapefruit in cocktails. It really balances the sweet. I like tart, and this is gonna be really tart, and look how beautiful it is. Again, think about presentation. Your whole house is decorated, everybody's dressed up when they come over for the party. You wanna make a beautiful punch. Maybe a little bit of lime, why not? Use what you have. A couple of lime slices, let them float around in there. Maybe an ice cube or two, and the fruit's gonna act as an ice cube, but then you can put in a few regular ice cubes to keep it cold. There's champagne and orange juice in here right now. Yes, it is a punch, but let's punch it up a little. Let's spike this punch. This is actually from Spike Lee, Absolute Brooklyn. It has a little apple and ginger flavor, perfect for the holidays. 1 or 2 shots. This is a punch for many people, so that's really not that spiked. And then we're gonna stir it up. It smells incredible, it's fruity, it's beautiful. And then of course you can have a little wedge of lime or some fruit floating around in your punch glass. That's the best part. And you get to eat the fruit afterwards. It's so fun and delicious. I love festive drinks like this. Just because, imagine everybody at your party with one of these. Here's to the champagne punch. Happy holidays.